In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the text tool in the TradingView platform on your desktop or web version. If you're looking to add clear custom notes directly onto your trading charts, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can maximize your charting capabilities. First, you'll want to open the TradingView chart of the asset you're interested in. This is your starting point, and getting familiar with the layout of your chart is essential for all the steps that follow. Once you have your desired chart open, you'll want to cast your gaze over to the left side of the screen. There you'll locate the drawing toolbar, which contains a variety of tools that can enhance your charting experience. In this toolbar, you'll find the text tools, which might be represented by a capital T or sometimes even look like a small note tool. Identifying this tool is crucial as it allows you to input your custom messages directly onto the chart. Now, with the text tool selected, click on the specific area of the chart where you wish to place your note. This could be at a significant support level, a resistance mark, or any other place you deem important for your analysis. As soon as you click, a text box will appear, inviting you to type your custom message. This is your opportunity to clearly document your thoughts, insights, or any critical observations you've made about the asset. But the customization doesn't stop there. Once your message is typed out, take advantage of the pop-up menu to adjust the font size, color, and other settings. These options allow you to tailor the visibility of your text, ensuring that it stands out against the backdrop of your chart for easy reference in the future. In addition to placing text directly, TradingView also offers a handy feature where you can double-click on most drawing tools, such as trend lines, to write in a text field that appears. This means you can associate specific notes with particular drawings directly, enhancing your capability to annotate your charts in a detailed manner. This is particularly useful for creating context around certain technical analyses or strategies you are deploying. And that's it. With these simple steps, you now have the skills to effectively use the text tool in TradingView. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to keep your charts informative and organized. Whether you're tracking price movements, marking important dates, or noting down strategies, the text tool is your friend in making sense of the complex world of trading. Thank you for watching, and happy charting.